Hello everybody. Today I have faced another topic which is really important for the youth because most of the youth have been facing these problems. Whatever they want to do, they stop. Why do they stop from completing the task? That is self-sabotage. The topic I have brought today, that is self-sabotage. What is self-sabotage? Self-sabotage, sabotage is an act of destroying and killing any kind of manner. It means it keeps you away from completing the task which you desire to do the most in your life. Now, how could you feel that you are sabotaging yourself and there is a self sabotage? How we can realize it? There's a one topic, first topic, the science of self sabotage. I'm gonna tell you. First is your procrastination. The day you start procrastinating the tasks, it means 100% this is the signature of this self sabotage. You are just going against your desire, or something is in your mind which is preventing you from completing those tasks which you desire to do, but just because of the procrastination you are denying, you are putting them off. Second, negative talks. Because we have been surrounded by those people who are completely negative, they keep imposing their thoughts on us. They say to us that we cannot do. Why? Because they cannot do and they have not done yet in their life. So second topic is negative talks. Signs of self-sabotage, I am telling you. First is procrastination. Second is negative talks. Third, when your actions convert into inactions. How? I'm telling you. There's a one sentence. Problem exists just because of actions of bad people. I say no. Problems exist just because of inaction of good people. When there is a majority of the good people is less, or you know very well, when majority of the good people is very less, so 100% bad people increase, and they just put their actions over there. And in this way, what happens when actions convert into inactions? It means when good people do less tasks. So they are the signs of self-sabotage. Third, what are the results of this self-sabotage? In beginning I told you what is self-sabotage. Second, signs of the self-sabotage. Now what are the results? It means when it happens to us. When self-sabotage happens to us, it means we are eroding our self-confidence. We are killing our self-esteem. Indirectly way, we are killing our self-love. We are killing our self-respect. We are killing our self-belief, and automatically it kills our self-image. This is the crucial point. When you make your self-image, then 100% automatically self-belief is built up. When self-belief is there, self-respect approaches. When self-respect approaches, self-love comes. When self-love is there, so 100% self-esteem is there. Then you are reaching up to this position. But what happens? We most of the times lose it just because of self-image. So try to give some gratitude to towards yourself. So what will happen? It will somehow you will get the respect, and you will keep yourself motivated. Third, results. What are the results? First, you erode your self-confidence, kill your self-esteem, and self-sabotage affects our relationships with others. We mostly do not talk with the people. We keep thinking, but we say when you think in your mind and you feel in your heart, so paradigms change. But when negativity occurs, so whatever we are thinking, that is going completely wrong. So how we can get the remedies? So there are so many ways of killing and defeating the self-sabotage. First, recognize your self-sabotaging behaviors. And how we can recognize? Think of your goals which you left in lurch, which you did not complete. think of those tasks, while doing those tasks, where you got stuck and how did you get stuck, why did you get stuck, and now attempt to do it. Now do it. So what will happen? In this way you will change your self beliefs. And it is said all paradigms can be your self beliefs, but all self beliefs cannot be paradigms. Second, manage your emotions. As I told earlier in one video, you change the conversation in your mind. So in this way you can manage your emotions. It helps you to manage and control the emotions. And you will then what will happen? Indirectly way you will observe the stress. You will not take the stress. Once you observe the stress, so you will understand how to manage the stress, because you are in cockpit. Third, positive affirmations should be over there. Be committed to complete the task, and if you are unable to do it, so find out the ways. Because when entrepreneurs are there, so they try to find out the solutions, they find the ways. They don't wait for getting the ways, they don't wait for getting the instructions from others. They try to find the solutions. It is the way of getting the positive affirmations. As I have been making lots of affirmations, in that I am to take care of my diet, so I have been working upon my diet now. It is happening and I'm getting the good results also. And at last, the way of killing and defeating the self-sabotage is look up and build up the ladder. Look up, it's a kind of mindset. Look up, it means a kind of mindset. Build the ladder, it's a kind of skill set. Fruits are above, but your fruits are up, but you are unable to look up. You're looking here and there, you're not getting the fruits. Why? Because you're unable to look up. You're unable to build the good skills. That's a mindset. First you set your mind. In your mind, if something is set well, so 100% you can build the ladder and you can reach. And for building the ladder you need the skills, and your skills come through your experience. Once you do it, you will get the experience also. So they are the things through that you can kill self-sabotage. Thank you guys. Thanks for listening to me.